Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the ZeroLemon Extreme Charge Station. Now this is another one of those Kickstarter projects, so let's take a look at the video.
ZeroLemon 130 watt charging station, equipped with innovative smart ultra-charge technology, inspired from minimalistic design philosophy, is bound to make your mobile device life easier and more convenient. Designed for the power user and the ultimate Apple device user, the charger allows a total of 6 devices to full charge simultaneously. For example, you can charge MacBook Pro 15, an iPad Pro, 3 iPhones with one charging wirelessly, and an Apple Watch all at the same time. Say goodbye to multiple plug chargers, tangled cables, and messy desktop, while keeping your workspace and home all clutter-free. ZeroLemon 130 watt charging station has been certified with the highest safety standard. It is UL listed, RoHS, FCC, and CE certified. The charger is designed with smart dual cooling fan system to keep the charger from overheating and overcharging. The cooling system also keeps the temperature of the charging station under 41 degrees Celsius at all time. The fans are activated when it is charging at high wattage and temperature. The built-in intelligent silent mode switches off the fan automatically when the charger is at a cool temperature. The all-one charger will simplify your mobile life with full-speed charging compatibility. Plug it in and be worry-free.
Alright, so you've seen the video for yourself. This looks pretty sick. And if you're somebody that travels all the time, this is a must-have. Now the minimum pledge is $60. Once it hits the market, it's going to jump up to $100. So if you like what you see, jump in right now. And on a side note, their pledge goal is $5,000. They're already up to over $13,000. So this is definitely going to hit the market. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white shoes.
calm down. All right, here we go. ZeroLemon Extreme Charge Station, 135 watts of power. Let's see what it is. Okay. Inside, here's your Extreme Charge Station. Let's see what else you get. Okay, this is nice. You get a little carrying bag. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like power. Let's see what else you get. And this is just going to be your plug. All right, simple and straightforward. Now, for the Extreme Charge Station, you got your on and off button. You got 2 USB A's. You got 2 USB Type-C's on one side. On the other side, here's some vents. Same thing on this side. On the top, here's your Qi wireless charging pad. Here's your Apple Watch charging pad. All right, so this is for the watch. And on the back, here's your AC in. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place on your table. All right, so let me plug this in. We'll grab a couple of devices and see if we could charge 6 devices at the same time. All right, so the setup for this is real simple. You just plug it in. All right, it don't get any easier than that. Now, if you look at the power button, once you turn it on, there's a little green LED to let you know that it's powered up. Okay, so first, let's charge the Apple Watch. Okay, Apple Watch charging up. Now let's grab an iPhone. Charging up the iPhone 2. All right, so let me grab some cables. All right, so now let's try to charge 6 devices at the same time. First, let's grab this white cable right here. And let's try the Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, that one is charging up. Let's get that out the way. Now, I'll grab this black cable. Let's try the Galaxy S10. Okay, that one is charging up. Let's drop the iPhone on the top. That's charging up. Let's drop the Apple Watch on the other side. That's charging up. Now let's grab this cable right here. Let's try a laptop. Okay, so we got the Huawei MateBook We'll just plug this in and look for that flashing light. All right, so that's charging up. And for the last one, let's grab this white cable and we'll try an iPad Pro. That's charging up also. 6 devices at the same time. Now, if you listen closely, the fan did turn on, but it's not that loud. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the ZeroLemon Extreme Charge Station is a major go. For $60, the price is right. This is going to be perfect for your desktop setup, and if you travel, this is a must-have. Charge up your laptop, your tablet, your phone, your watch, your cameras, whatever you got. You and your significant other, y'all going to be good to go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Let's just take a quick second and enjoy some White Shoes purring. Relax your mind, relax your body, and enjoy the sweet sounds of your cat enjoying their best life.